Okay guys, today we're going to take a look at this really cool little smart mini air filter from GoveeLife. We're going to unbox it, take a look at a lot of the features. Now this one does have a 3-stage HEPA filter built into it. Of course, it utilizes the Govee app. It is a portable unit, very small, compact. I do like that about it. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy and see exactly what comes in the box. As you guys know, I love to give you guys the full unboxing experience. So the first things we're greeted with is our Govee documentation, including this smart manual, quick starter guide, all of the information you're going to need to get started. Nothing left in the box. All right, here's our filter. All right, first experience or first impressions. It is very lightweight, but it does feel dense enough. This feels like it's going to last a long time. You have some instructions right here on the top to help you get started. So let's go ahead and remove that first. Now, this will instruct you on how to set up the filter. I'm going to do that in a video, so you guys will be able to do that just by following along. At the base, you'll find your little handle. You're just going to rotate to unlock it. Leave it face down. Inside, you're going to find your power brick. As you guys can see here, there's a little information on the power brick. This is a 12 volt, well, at least on the out of it, it's going to be a 12 volt, 1 amp. Really nice design. Very long cable. Here's your 3-stage HEPA filter. As you guys can see here. Now the outer filter is removable, so you can remove this to clean it, and you will have to over time. These filters last about 6 months. The internal components here of the HEPA filter cannot be washed, but you can wash this if you choose to. That's really nice. It also comes with some replacement tabs or little pads. If you're using essential oils with this, that's nice as well. There's one already installed. So we're just going to place this on here like so. You're going to take the base, line it up with the little notches here, drop this back on. Rotate, lock it in place, and it's pretty much good to go. Now on the rear here is where you're going to plug in your power. You also have this little drawer here. And this is where you're going to find your pad for your essential oils. And as I said, one is already installed. On the top, you have all of your controls. You have your power button. You have your sleep mode, your Bluetooth. You have your fan speeds. Now, it also gives you an indicator whenever it's time to replace the filter. And I'll show you guys how that works. So let's go ahead and plug this guy into some power. All right, let's plug it in. And for the sake of the video, I'm just going to hold this like this so you guys can see. But we can turn it on from here. So that's our sleep mode. That's level 1, level 2. And then you can press the button to further turn it off. Okay, so you can connect this to the Govee app. Let me show you guys how that works. So here's our Govee Home app. Of course, you can install this on an iOS device or on an Android device. So what we're going to do here is take a look. We don't see anything yet, so we can just go ahead and scan. And as you guys see, there is our HEPA filter. Our air purifier right here. So we just go ahead and click Add, and it's going to connect to it. It's telling you to press. It's telling you here to press the power button. So we're just going to press the power button one time, and it should connect. You can rename it at this point, and it's also alerting me that there's a new device because I have other Govee devices. I'm just going to go ahead and click Done. It's going to ask for your Wi-Fi as well as your password. You can just enter that information here, and you'll be able to connect. Wi-Fi connected successfully. And as you see now, guys, we got control. I can turn it on from this app. I can turn it off. I can set up the custom mode. I can go to the high setting the low setting, the sleep mode. You have all the corresponding settings here under each one of the modes. So if you had a schedule, if you wanted to set a certain particular schedule for a certain day or time, you can do that right here as well under each one. Really nice design. I have a lot of Govee apps, a lot of Govee products, guys, and I'm telling you, the app is what really unlocks a lot of these beautiful features. So if you're looking for an air purifier, something that's compact, it's going to be great for your home, your office, man cave, she shed. This would be great in an RV, something like that. Definitely take a look at this one. You guys who follow me know I do a lot of laser engraving, 3D printing, things like that. So having an air purifier in my house is a win. All right, guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing to show you guys this amazing little piece of kit from GoveeLife. Their mini air purifier. Definitely check it out. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.